Hello, my name is Ben.
And my name is Jacob.
And mine is Ryan. And we're here to teach you all about mitosis.
Mitosis is a process of cell division that forms two new nuclei, each of which has the same number of chromosomes.
However, mitosis only occurs in eukaryotic cells.
There are four phases in mitosis called prophase, anaphase, metaphase, and telophase.
The first phase is called prophase. In prophase, mitosis begins, and chromosomes condense from long strands into rod-like structures.
Prophase is the second step in the cell cycle.
The second step in mitosis is metaphase.
In metaphase, the nuclear membrane is dissolved and paired chromatids align with the cell's equator.
The third step in mitosis is anaphase.
In anaphase, the chromatids separate and move to opposite sides of the cell.
Thin fibers connect the chromatids and pull them apart.
The final stage of mitosis is telophase.
In telophase, a nuclear membrane forms around each set of chromatids, and the chromosomes unwind.
Mitosis is complete.
Alright, we hope you enjoyed our presentation. And remember, stay cool and